I was saying I see the generator now. I didn't know what we were looking
Where, oh where is the dipstick? Look for a round finger pull. Injector pump. Inspection port. Fuel filter. Oil filter. Nope, that yellow thing's not it. Oh, I think I see it.
Where?
I think I see it. Okay, let me turn off the...
Where do you think you see it?
Right there in front of the camera, but you can't reach it from there.
Well, how
Okay.
can you check it if you can't reach it from here?
Well, I'll set the camera down and I'll play with it.
There's something over here that looks like it has a. It looks like a male.
Oh, there it is. I see it. It's on your side of the oil filter.
You talking to me?
Phil, can you get down there and look at the oil filter?
I don't even see the oil filter on this.
No, it's on my side.
On your side? Let's see.
I think that's it.
I don't see what you're looking at.
At least move it.
It's not great.
Come up here to the white oil filter.
Yeah.
Okay. No, back on your side of the oil filter. Where are you at?
I'm right next to the oil filter.
Okay. Show your hand. Okay. See the antifreeze jug?
Yeah.
Yep. Come to my side of the antifreeze jug. There you go. You got your finger on it. That's it. Pull it out. Can you stick your finger in the ring and pull it out?
Do you even see
Is-
it?
Oh, yeah. How are we going to get it back in?
Well, we'll get it in from my side. And it's got a rubber stopper on the bottom of it.
I think you'd have to be in there and on units to reach it better.
Well, we can't get in here. The hole's not big enough.
Not this one. I'm talking.
Is
about the
is
side.
that a metal dipstick hole or is that an electrical wire?
It's what? I
It's
thought it was
white. That's a wire.
Yeah, I thought it was a
Yeah, it's wire.
It's... Let me see what I can do. I think that black thing is the stopper for the oil. Okay, let me put the camera down.